We have several entities here that we represent: TRL Space, TRL Drones, Xeitra and Korak. We have a complete solutions for several areas. We combine drones with satellites that we all manufacture ourselves, with artificial intelligence for automated navigation and artificial detection of objects from satellite and drone images, and Korak that does cybersecurity to ensure that all the communications is secure and encrypted. We have several nice drones here and one satellite trap. So TRAP is a very high resolution satellite that delivers 70 centimeter resolution here. So the TRAP satellite delivers 70 centimeter resolution. It's sufficient for all the military application, object detection, vehicle identification, vessels, planes, etc. It goes with onboard data processing from our company Xeitra that automatically detects objects and locates them and sends the information down. It has secured communication from our company Korak, and it can be managed through our own Truly platform, which allows you to analyze all the imagery, order more images, test the satellite, and operate everything. But not just the satellite, also the drones. This is the VTOL drone 320. It has a wingspan of 3.2 meters. It's a surveillance drone. It can stay up for 4 hours. It's an electric VTOL, so vertical takeoff. It's charged in 2 hours and can provide you the detailed surveillance of your borders and all the areas of interest. It can operate in a direct line of sight over 100 kilometers. So 200 kilometer radiuses is a traditional operational range for this drone that we have with thermal and electro-optical sensors that gives you permanent eyes over area that you want to monitor. Next, we have another nice toy here, which is our new developed drone. It's a jet engine drone that can go up to 500 kilometers per hour. It can carry 10 kilograms payload, so it can be used to target and hit helicopters, some smaller aircraft, but also to hit targets beyond enemy lines, up to 200 kilometer range. It starts from an electric catapult, and it has an automated AI navigation also to make sure that you hit the targets even in the jammed and GNSS denied environments. This is a very nice new toy, and with this we're trying to make the costs come down in terms of, long-range missiles, rockets, because this comes at a fraction of that. Another tool that we have here is a 3D printed drone that you see on the top there. That's a winner of this conference for the best innovation. Is a 3D printed anti-drone interceptor. It's VTOL, so it starts from a spot. It has, again, a camera with AI that is allows it to hit the targets. It receives a lot of the information from radars, ground-based sensors that feeds it and give it the idea where it should go hunt drones type Shahid. It can go up to 250 kilometers speed, and it goes at a fraction of cost because it's a 3D printed. So we're making sure that when we're hitting a target, we hit it with a lower value in terms of the manufacturing cost than the object, because that's where we get to the economies of scale.